For most marketers, they use landing pages to funnel their visitors into their mailing list and get their free digital gift, or even sign up for a free automated webinar event. And all this can be automated. However, what if you're using your landing page to funnel people to a live event or a seminar? Or what if you're getting people to join your strategy session and get on call with you? So this part can be somewhat manual. However, done correctly, it can also be rewarding. In fact, it is quite simple. So here's how you can follow up your prospects the moment they sign up with you. And relationship building is really everything here. And although you're not expecting to get thousands of leads this way, or tens of thousands for that matter, I assure you that when you follow up with everyone closely, you can build a small but hyper responsive following of people for your brand. So normally, let's talk about live events and seminars. If you're going to get people for your live events and seminars, it's inadequate to just send them email reminders, because we want to get them committed and actually show up at your event maybe days from now even. So what you do is basically two things: SMS reminder and even giving them a phone call. And this is the part where I advise you to work in a team, or at least hire a part-time crew to work with you for this duration of the event. So you can give your staff or a part-time employee a very simple script to follow and give a phone call to everyone at least the latest 1 or 2 days before the event itself. So it goes along the lines of, hey, it's name here. I'm calling because yesterday you filled in an application for name of our program or seminar. So of course the person is going to say yes, because at this point you would have already gotten the name, email, and the phone number. So you say, great, I'm just calling to confirm your attendance to our event tomorrow. Is it okay with you if I drop you an SMS reminder? So normally most people would just say yes. And again, if you qualify your prospects correctly, there's no reason for them to say no. Then you go on with this. If you need any help finding this location, here's the Waze or Google Maps or the address, and we'll see you there. So as you can see here, the conversation is started and it's over in just less than a minute. It doesn't take a lot of time, but this way you know that a prospect is serious and it's not just made up, okay? And you can have an SMS reminder being sent from either a SMS service if you're going for bulk, or if you're running a very small enterprise at the moment, you can just get a temporary SIM card and a spare phone with the intention of sending out mass SMS reminders. And that's how easy it is. So next up, if you're doing strategy session calls for prospects who want to get on call with you and potentially become your client, here's what you're going to do differently. You want to get them to first commit. So I recommend that you get an account with timetrade.com and go for a paid plan, where basically this software allows your potential clients to schedule an online appointment with you at a specific date and time, regardless of wherever they are in the world. And once they have booked an appointment with you, then you know when to get on call with them. And this is the part where you also get on call with them either through Skype or Zoom, or whichever your preferred method is. I like using Skype because it's universal, it's free most of the time when you get on call with international calls with people around the world. So I personally like Skype. Zoom has become very popular in recent times as well, so you can also consider using the Zoom software. Okay, so yes, as you can see here, there are many ways you can do it, and TimeTrade is just one of the ways you can use to schedule online appointments and even state your availability in advance.